Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now you go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report on. So basically, if you notice here, we have one slicer as well as one visual. Okay, so here what I'm doing, based on this slicer selection, I want to display the result. In case if you notice last 7 days, 20 days, 90, 365 custom slicer. Even we have seen this kind of examples in my previous videos like one or two, but this video little different compared to the previous videos. I'll try to explain what exactly it is. So what I'm doing, so here in case if we click on last 7 days, I'm trying to display the from the last day of the sales to 7 days back. In my case, so in my fact table, that sales are up to July 31st. From July 31st to 7 days back. Again, if I click on 28 days means from July 31st to 28 days back. Likewise, based on the selection, I am displaying the last day sales. In case if we select custom slicer, we are displaying the ability to select whatever the date we want. We can select and we can see the result. For example, in case if we select a custom slicer, in my date table I am having the dates from the January 1st 2000 to December 31st 2004. In case if you want to change the slice selection, just click on it. Now you can ability to change whatever you want. For example, I want to select from 2000 to January 1st. Here also I want to do something else. So 2003 something. Now you can see things has been changed. So we are giving the flexibility to change the selection by giving the custom slicer. If you do not want this one, again you can switch back by clicking this one. Okay, likewise we are implementing this scenario. Okay, same thing I have deployed in the server also. If you want, you can check that also. Now you can say I'll try to select. So for timing, I'm selecting last 7 days. It means that from July 25th to 31st 2004. In case if I select 28 days means automatically it will change. Again, in case 90 days means it will change, and 365 means it will change. Again, custom slicer means, so just click on it, we can change it based on the selection that you want to see. If you do not want, just click on the automatically it will switch back to last 7 days sales. Okay, so likewise I have implemented. So now I'll try to understand what are the code I have implemented to get this logic. It's very easy. Already we have seen a couple of videos also. Let me select. Okay, so here basically I have declared a couple of variables. So let me go through fast. So basically here I have declared one variable. So in this variable, so I'm just capturing what are the value you are selecting in the slicer by using select value function. After that, I'm trying to take the max value from my fact table, and based on that, so if it is 7 days means I'm just extracting, doing some conditions here for 7 days, 28, 90, 365, something like that. Okay, so again in the final variable I'm just doing some kind of validation, like if the selection is last 7 days means I want to display one result. If it is 20 days means we can display like this. Okay, so likewise I have written the DAX. It's very easy. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.